If you want to make a side hustle and you decided to start an Etsy business, here's a video on how you can build your Etsy brand with simple online tools in minutes. If you haven't yet watched the first episode of this series on how to start selling on Etsy, we've covered everything from finding your shop name to creating your first listing. Creating a clear branding for your Etsy shop is super essential. It's important to any online business, whether you're on Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify. This may not be something to improve your sales, but it definitely is important to look professional and give trust to your customers with your branding. When creating your Etsy store's branding, define your brand's unique identity. This will help guide all aspects of your branding, from your logo to your messaging. If your target audience is young, trendy individuals interested in fashion, your branding may reflect a modern and stylish aesthetic. Develop a consistent visual style for your brand, including colors, fonts, and imagery. This consistency helps create a strong and recognizable brand identity. If your brand values sustainability, you can use a color palette of earthy tones like green and brown to evoke nature and sustainability. So let's start creating a logo on Canva. After choosing a resonating brand name, go to canva.com and find logo among the blank pages. Go to the brand tab and add your brand colors to create cohesive designs for your Etsy store. Then go to Design and type in your keyword to find the templates that align with your products. After choosing your design, go to Brand again and click on your color palette to match the design with your brand's color. You can be more creative than this with Canva tools, add elements if you like, but keep in mind designing with a consistent color palette. Now let's create a shop banner. This time I'll look for Etsy store banners on Canva. I choose a banner and change the color palette according to my brand. Then I'll copy the elements from the logo sheet and paste them to where they should be, changing the shop name and fonts to match my logo. After making other additions on my banner, voila, my Etsy banner is ready. It didn't even last a minute. If you don't want to deal with the designing part, you can hire graphic designers to do this job for you. You can look for them on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. So, branding an Etsy shop covers various aspects of branding. This includes your shop story and your shop announcements, and it extends to the overall customer experience. Rocketfy's AI Writer tool can help you maintain all these. Go to AI Writer from the dashboard and find shop story, paste your shop name, fill in the rest of the boxes, choose your preferences, and enter generate story. I'm making additions to the generated text, then pasting the final result on my Etsy account. Rocketfy AI Writer even allows you to generate shop announcements and messages to buyers and your customer support. When you're done with your shop story, you can add the links to your social media or your website. Incorporating social media into your Etsy branding strategy is crucial to creating a community around your brand. Why is that? Because you don't want to lose your customers if Etsy suspends your account. FYI, Rocketfy has a suspend checker feature where you enter your shop name and you get the reasons why your shop could potentially face suspension. Mine lacks policies, so I'll go to Rocketfy and quickly generate my privacy policy in minutes. Copy and go to policy settings, paste and publish it. Every Etsy seller wants their shop to be in line with Etsy's policies because they don't want their shops to be suspended when they're making thousands from Etsy. So if you have your social media accounts of your Etsy shop, you will still have your customers' data and you will be able to keep them as a community. Social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are important for promoting an Etsy shop. You can use Canva for your post designs and schedule them on a regular basis, and you can use Rocketfy AI Writer to generate captions for these posts in less than a minute. Now you may want to add your shop members here, and then for shop policies you can go ahead and click Edit. Make sure your payment options and the other information here are all filled out, and then the other thing to fill out here, you can select from the options or you can select custom and add your topic. For example, you can add what type of printing is this, or you can give information about your shipping time. So in the first episode we've talked about adding at least 5 high-quality images. You may want to include a few mockups, a size chart, and 1 or 2 photo cards giving information. So let's create one on Canva. Click create new design, custom, and enter 5000 by 5000. Choose your background from your brand colors, then press the letter T, add the text to your sheet and change it to your brand font. I'll go to elements, add a line, change the line weight and position it under the title. Now I'm adding another text and changing it to my brand's second font. Now I want to add an element to create a nice size chart. So I found my elements and adjusted them. Add the size information, and to the text I'm adding more detailed information. And just like this, you can create your photo cards and add these to all your listings. We hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. We'll see you in the next one.